Good afternoon, all.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Adit Krishna, sit properly. Adit Krishna, sit properly. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
So now we know how to add two one-digit numbers. Now today we are going to discuss first how to add three one-digit numbers. Now let us share the screen here and let me explain with example. Okay. So let us see two numbers. 2 plus 3. Adit Krishna, what is the answer? 2 plus 3.
Can I write?
Not now. Ma'am will tell you when you have to open your notebook. Adit Krishna, tell me the answer. 2 plus 3. Adit Krishna, what is the answer?
5.
2 plus 3. 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Here we add two one-digit numbers.
Ma'am, can I
Okay?
write?
Now we are going to add three one-digit numbers. Now let us see what will be the answer or how to add three one-digit numbers. No need to open the notebook now. Ma'am will tell you when you have to open your notebook. Listen to ma'am. Okay? And the question is 8 plus 1 plus 4. Here we can see three one-digit numbers are there. The first number is 8, second number 1, third number 4. We have to add these three one-digit numbers. Okay, how we will add these three
Ma'am,
numbers?
sound is
Now let
less.
us see the first two numbers. Okay,
Together.
see the first two numbers are 8 and 1. So let us add first 8 and 1. What about 8 and 1? 8 plus 1. Bennett, what is the answer? 8 plus 1?
9.
9. Very good. So when we add 8 and 1, we will get the answer 9. Now look at this sum. Let us add the third number. The third number is 4. So let us add 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4. What is the answer? Haya, what is the answer? 9 plus 4. 9 you keep it in your mind. 4 you take in your fingers. So after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So what is the answer, Haya?
30.
13. So the answer is 13. Now we add three one-digit numbers. Now let us see one more example. Okay. Let us see one more example. Please be quiet. Now another example. 4 plus 2 plus 5. Here also we can see 4 is a one-digit number, 2 is a one-digit number, 5 is also a one-digit number. Okay, so let us add these three one-digit numbers. So what we have to do first? Let us add the first two numbers. Which are the first two numbers here? 4 and 2. Okay, 4 and 2. What is answer 4 plus 2? Arav, see Anup. Arav, what is answer 4 plus 2?
5.
4 plus 2. What is answer 4 plus 2? 4 in the mind, 2 in the fingers.
6 is equal to 6.
Is equal to 6. Let us write the number 6. So we got the sum. We got the sum of first two numbers. Now let us add with the third number. The third number is 5. Now let us add 6 plus 5. Asariya, what is answer 6 plus 5? 6 plus 5. What is answer, Asariya? 6 plus 5. What is answer? 6 in the mind, 5 in the finger. So after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So what is answer?
11.
Plus 5 is equal to 11. Okay. Now let us see one more example. And the question is 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 7. 4 plus 2 plus 7. So here also we can see 4 is a one-digit number, 2 is a one-digit number, 7 is also a one-digit number. Okay. Now let us add first two numbers. So here, which are the first two numbers? 4 and 2. So 4 and 2. 4 plus,
Not see the board.
what is answer? 4 plus 2. Aradhya, 4 plus 2. What is answer? 4 plus 2?
6.
6. So 6. Now let us add with the third number. 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7. What is answer, mother? 6 plus 7. What is answer, mother? 7. We can keep it in our mind. 6 you take in your fingers. Now after 7, count. After 7, 8, 9,
9,
10,
11,
11,
13,
12, 13.
12,
Okay? So 6 plus 7 is
13,
equal to 13.
13,
We get the answer.
13.
Okay. Now
Ma'am,
all of you
you want to
understood
write?
how to add 3 one-digit numbers. We will add the first 2
Want
numbers.
to write?
Then we will get the sum that we will
Ma'am,
add with the
we
sum.
want to write?
Okay. So all of you please take your notebook and pencil.
Ma'am,
Please take your notebook and pencil. All of you please take a notebook and pencil. Now we can write.
I cannot see.
ADDITION. ADDITION.
Ma'am,
Addition.
addition.
Addition. ADDITION. ADDITION.
I
Addition.
cannot see the board.
Please check your connection. OF. 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 THREE.
3.
3. THREE. 3.
3 digital numbers.
3. 1 hyphen DIGIT. Digits. Addition of 3 one-digit
1-digit number.
MBERS.
Ma'am.
Numbers.
Wait from me. Ma'am, wait from me.
Oh, yes.
Ma'am.
ADDITION. Addition.
Ma'am, take a fresh page.
Yes. Of THREE. 3 1 hyphen DIGIT. Digit. NUMBERS. Numbers. Addition of 3 one-digit numbers.
We are finished.
Okay. Now let us write the first.
Ma'am, I finished. Ma'am, wait.
Yes. Addition of 3 one-digit numbers. And the first question A. Three plus 5 plus 7. 3 plus 5 plus 7. Jennifer, which is the first number here? Which is the first number?
3.
3. Second number?
5.
Third number?
7.
So let us write the answer. So write the question one more time. Three plus 5 plus 7. Now let us add 3 plus 5. Evina, what is answer? 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5. What is answer? 5 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. So after 5,
8.
6, 7, 8. Okay, good. Answer is 8. Now let us add the sum with the 7. Third number 7. So 8 plus 7. 8 is
8 7 എത്ര 8 കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ 7 കൂട്ടി
in our mind. 7 you have
9 10 11 12 13 14
8 plus 7. Siddhi, what is the answer? 8 plus 7? 8 plus 7.
15.
15.
16.
15. 8 plus 7 is equal to 50.
നിന്റെ അടുത്ത് ചോദിച്ചേക്കും മരപ്പണി ഇതാ. Your voice is very low.
But here everything is okay.
Ma'am, your sound is low. Sound is very less. Ma'am, your sound is very low.
And B we have 4 plus 3 plus 5. Now do it this one. 4 plus 3 plus 5. 4 plus 3 plus 5. 4 plus 3 plus 5.
Answer is
Here the first number is 4, second number 3, third number 5. So let us add the first two numbers. So write the question one more time. 4 plus 3 plus 5. So 4 plus 3. What is the answer? 4 plus 3. Krishna, what is the answer? 4 plus 3?
7. 7.
So let us write the answer 7. 7 plus
Answer
third
is
number
7.
5. 7 plus 5. What is the answer? 7 plus 5. Wilfred, what is the answer? 7 plus 5. 7 in the mind, 5 in the fingers. So after 7, 8, 9,
8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12.
So what is the answer? 12.
12.
Okay, 12. And the next one, next question, 4 plus 6 plus 8. So try 4 plus 6 plus 8. The first number 4, second number 6, third number 8. So add the first two numbers. Four plus 6 plus 8. Add 4 and 6. Ritika, what is the answer? 4 plus 6? 4 plus 6. 6 in the mind, 4 in the fingers.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So the answer is 10. Okay. So 10 plus the third number 8. So 10 in the mind, 8 in the fingers. Tirtha, what is the answer? 10 plus 8. 10 plus 8. 10 in the mind, 8 in the fingers.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Oh, the answer is 18. Very good. The answer is 18. 188. Now, those who have completed the question number C, please take a workbook, part 1, page number 20. Those who have completed, please take workbook, part 1, page number 20.
Which book? Workbook?
Workbook, part 1, page number 20. Those who have, write in that. Those who don't have, listen to ma'am. When you get the book, copy into that.
Ma'am, what is the page number?
Page number 20. Page number 20.
And we can write. Ma'am, we can write workbook.
That we will discuss now. The same page number I will take here also. The same page number you can see on the screen. And we have the first type of question, multiple choice question. Evelyn, are you ready? You got the same page?
Yes, ma'am.
So please read the first question, question number 1. Others, please be quiet. Question number 1.
Count and choose the correct number.
Number of what? What is the picture? Leaves. So how many leaves are there? Count
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So how many are there?
5 leaves.
So 5 leaves. Okay. So what is the option? Which is the correct option? A, B,
Option A.
or D?
Option A.
Option A. Very good. Meenakshi, read the second one. Question number 2.
The number of boys is dash.
So how many?
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very good. So which is the correct option?
B.
B. Very good. So
B.
let's write the letter B inside the brackets. And even never listen to ma'am. You don't have the book, but you look at the board. Okay. Aravsi Anup, read the third question. Read the third question. Third question.
Read, count and
Choose
say choose
the correct
number of
tomatoes.
tomatoes.
How many are there? Count.
3.
3. So
1, 2, 3.
Which is the correct option? A or B or C or D?
C.
C. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, welcome. Okay, read the question number 4. Sam Tom, unmute and read the question. Question number 4. How many butterflies are there altogether? Count. How many butterflies are there altogether?
7.
7. So which is option? A. So put tick mark for option A and write the letter A inside the brackets. And those who have completed, please take the next page. Page number 21.
23.
Page number 21. Dhyan K is unmute and take the fifth one. Dhyan, please unmute. How many are there altogether? How many are there? Ah,
25 would come out.
6. Very good.
25 would
Now,
come.
6. So which option? Option A or B or C or D? Option B. Arjun Krishna Jinish, please read question number 6. How many are there? How many elephants are there? Arjun
5
Krishna.
elephants.
How many are there?
5.
5. So which option?
Option A 5.
Option A 5. Okay. Mitra, what about the next one? Filling the blanks. Question number 7. You can see logs of wood.
Yes, ma'am.
So how many are there? You can see bundles of 10. How many bundles of 10?
2 bundles.
So how many? 2 bundles of 10 means how many are there? 2 tens. How much? 2 tens. 2 tens means total how much?
Ma'am, say one more.
2 tens means how much altogether? 2 tens will make
20.
20. Okay. Then 20 here. And how many ones? Count it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay. Now 20 plus 6. What is the answer?
26.
Very good. 20 in the mind, 6 in the fingers. If you are counting all together, we will get answer 26. 26. Okay, Mitra.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, welcome. Then Nihal, what about the next one? 8. Question number 8.
The number 1.
The numbers.
Numbers on a number line are written at
Dash. Spaces. S-P-A-C-E-S. Spaces. See, what is
Space.
in number line? What about the distance between the numbers on a number line?
Same.
Same. Or we can say another word. The distance or gap between the numbers is equal.
Equal.
So we can say the numbers on a number line are written at equal spaces. Okay? Equal. E-Q-U-A-L. Equal. Okay, Nihal. E-Q-U.
Thank you, ma'am.
Equal. Joseph Sebi, what about the question number 9? Read the question.
The sum of 9 and 0 is
Dash. What about the sum of 9 and
Dash.
0? What is the answer? 9 plus 0.
9.
Very good. 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. The sum of
Thank you,
9
ma'am.
and 0 is 9.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Parvati, read the next one. Question number 10. Question number 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. SHOW. Show.
So 5 plus 4 on the number line.
Very good. So what we have to do, already the number line is there. So we have to mark the number. Which number we have to mark on the number line first?
4.
Which number?
5.
5. Then how many jumps?
4.
4 jumps. So 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9. Now we completed 4 jumps. What is the answer?
9.
9. So 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Okay, good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Albin Benny, please unmute.
Yes.
Question number 11.
11. Of
Show
3 plus 3. 3 plus 3
continue. 3
on the number line.
So 3 plus 3 on the number line. So we can mark 3 on the number line first. Then how many jumps, Albin?
3.
3. 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6. So where we reach?
6.
So 3 plus 3 is equal to
3 plus 3. 6.
6. Okay. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Anurag, you have completed, please take 22 and read the question to us.
22.
You have completed number 22.
What is the sum of 1 and 4?
Very good. What is the sum of 1 and 4? What is the sum of 1 and 4? 1 plus 4 is equal to
5.
5. Very good. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. When we add 1 to a number, we get the next number. Nived, can you read from the screen?
Yes.
Read the question 13. Question number 13.
Add
Very good. Yes, I
the
am using.
column
Very good. Method.
method.
Add using the column method. What is the first question? A.
4 and 3.
4 and 3. Very good. It's already written there. 4 and 3 both are one digit numbers. So place is ones, and 4 it is written below 4 we can see 3. So what about the answer 4 plus 3? Nived, what is the answer 4 plus 3?
4 plus 3.
4 in the mind, 3 in the finger. So 4 plus 3 is equal to
7.
very good. 4 is equal to 7. Anay, read the next one.
7.
Anay, read the next one. B.
7.
Okay, Nived. Very good, very good. Anay, read the next one. B. What is the question? B.
7.
Okay, Nived. Very good, very good. Your answer is correct. Anay, can you hear, ma'am? Read the question number B.
7. Ma'am.
Question number B. Anay, read.
Ma'am.
Yes. Tell me.
13th question. 3.
Question
4. 3, 4. 4.
Question number 13.
5.
number B.
Six.
In 13, question number B. And now can
Six.
you read?
6.
We have B, 2 and 6. So let us write the numbers. Place is already given. Both are one-digit numbers. So let us write the numbers. 2, below 2 we can write the number 6. So when we add 2 plus 6, we will get the answer 8. So 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. Okay, now 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. And next we have 14. Question number 14. Evina, read the question. Question number 14.
14.
Question number 14.
Add
Add using the vertical
using
method. We have
vertical
the first question. Method.
method.
And what is the first
Ma'am,
question
see.
we have? 43 and 24. And
24.
numbers only written there. So the first number 43, second number 24. So we have to add the ones. At ones place we have 3 and 4. What is answer? 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. What is answer?
7.
7. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Then at a tens place we have 4 and 2. What is answer? 4 plus 2?
6.
3, 4, and 5.
6.
7. Chaitanya, please unmute and read the question number B. What is the question? Question number B.
12 and 6.
12 is two-digit number. 6 is a one-digit number. So let us split the numbers 12 and 6. Where will run? Is it a 10 place or 1 place?
Ones place.
Very good. So below you can write the number 6. Now 10, nothing. So what we can write?
0.
0. Now let's add the numbers. At 1 place we have 2 and 6. What is the answer? 2 plus 6.
2 plus 6. 8.
8. Then what about please? 1 plus 0.
1.
1. The answer is 18. Good. The answer is 18. One, 8, 80. So the remaining questions, question number 15 onwards, we will do tomorrow. And please be ready with one of the crayon, any one color. So everybody completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me stop.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, thank you for joining. We will meet tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.